What are you doing?
He's playing the violin.
What's it look like he's doing?
I think he meant, why am I pumping up my tires?
Yes, exactly.
Getting my bike ready for Vëlosummer, that's why.
What's Vëlosummer?
Vëlosummer is a program in which 14 cycling tours are set up throughout the country to encourage people to get out and explore Luxembourg by bike.
That's cool.
And this year, Vëlosummer is taking place from July 19th to August 24th, so I've got to get my bike ready.
I wish I could do something like that.
You can. There are tours for people of all ages and abilities.
How do I get one of those awesome shirts?
Last year, I rode all the Vëlosummer tour, and if you do the same thing, ride all 14 Vëlosummer routes, you too will win a Vëlosummer 2025 Maillot Jaune.
I'm gonna win me a Vëlosummer Maillot Jaune.
But certainly you don't have to ride all the tours to enjoy Vëlosummer. The important thing is to just get out in the fresh air and pedal your bike and explore Luxembourg. For complete details, go to velosummer.lu. I hope to see you out there. Happy pedaling, everyone.